You have students that have to produce something for your class, and this is the place that's going to get their ideas going if you have a blank slate. It's kind of an idea kickoff generator for students. And from there, hopefully, they're going to be able to add their twist, their spin on whatever it is that you want them to create and give you a product that really, A, has them learn what it is that you want them to learn, but also it looks great when it's done. So once you log in, you can log in with Google, you can create a design, and it gives a whole bunch of different options as you scroll through. So teachers, you're going to have the parameters already set for them, but if it's just kind of a general social media post or it is a flyer or some sort, it's going to be here. And you're going to be able to grab that template, or kids are going to be able to find the template that they want. That voice and choice piece in teaching is going to come out. We're going to be able to give that to our students here with Canva. So as they look through this is really, whatever they choose, this is a drag and drop, an idea stimulator. And once they get into something, you're going to be able to see how to change things. This is the great part about it. It's free for the most part.
Excuse me? A baking powder?
There are pictures, there are things that you're going to have to pay for if you really want them, but there's enough here that you don't have to pay a dime. We can download it, we can put it in our Google Drive, and we can put it in our Google Classroom, hand it in, and be done with it. It's great. And really, what I said again is the finished product is going to look incredible. So if we grab something, just to show a quick piece of this, there's Trifold Brochures. I know teachers love to do something like that. All of these posts are the correct dimensions for the social media platform, which is just invaluable. It's already set for you. So if you actually do use this in social media, it's going to be the correct size. It's not going to get distorted or anything. Resumes. This is an incredible piece right here for students that need to create resumes. All right, I'm just going to click on this. It is Pinterest graphic. So for Pinterest. And the great part is I clicked on this one, but then it gives me a whole bunch of other templates that I could possibly choose from. And so I just kind of look, and it's going to tell me right here in the bottom corner if it's free or not. And then what I meant by drag and drop, this kind of looks cool. It kind of looks almost like a book cover. But you can see that all of these graphics are interchangeable. I can grab it, I can drag it out, drag it in, whatever I'd like to do. All of the fonts you can see, I can change the font if I want to. There's just a ton of different fonts that you can choose from, size, color. And what's really cool is right here, this is the palette. It's grabbing from my palette of colors that I have here. So this color is the exact color of this flower. If I want it a little darker, I can see that color is here. And so I grab it. And so it's really slick in that aspect. If I bolded it, it went a little bit too big for me. Spacing, lists, uppercase, lowercase, alignment, all of that is there. I can fade this out if I want to, fade it in, and I can change any of the font that I want. Now, I'm going to need to resize it, no problem, and it's already, if I want it centered, I can go ahead and change that into centering it. Perfect. I don't know what this is doing here, so I'm going to get rid of that. And if I want to put something up top of my own logos or photos, I could. I could upload it, which is no problem, right from my computer. But if I want to choose photos, I can go into photos and find something else that I want to put there. Maybe it's not photos, maybe it's an element. And so I could look here if I wanted. They've got different ones that are featured. Let's see if I can find one that kind of goes along with our theme. And again, it tells you if they're free or not. If this bird kind of goes with it, I can put that bird in the background. And you can see how it'll be. So it kind of dominates, and so again, I can grab this and just kind of fade that bird in or out however I want, just to give it a little layer look to what it is that we're doing. So that's really Canva in a nutshell. what's great about it is it's going to be that idea kickstarter for students. If they don't know where to start, they can find something that they think looks good, and then they can manipulate it. If they think a certain text or font looks really nice, they can take that and they can drag and drop it right into what it is that they're doing. If they don't like it or they choose not to use it, they can drag it out or delete it. And that is just going to help students create the best final product for what it is that they're learning.